Looking at our different mounting systems, the first one we're going to look at is for an S-rib custom orb type roof, where they're all held down by bolts onto the roof. We'll obviously unscrew it. We're looking at a load spreading device. Also enables us to make sure that our panels stay perpendicular to the roof. Our seal gives us metallic separation, but also water insulation. We're looking at our bracket that's going to go onto our rails, popping our screw through, getting it in, and we would then screw it fast through the existing roof, bolts on nice and securely, nice and tight, and we can then mount our rails onto this for securing our panels. Going on to our tiled roofs, we have a series of different manufacturers supplying tiled roof brackets. Remove the tile, secure it to the existing timber that's in the roof, and our rail then secures to these particular faces of our tile brackets. This is an arrangement where we have our tiled roof is secured, our tile bracket is secured into the roof, and our rail then mounts directly to our tile bracket. Here we have a rail system which corresponds with a T-nut. Our T-nut would go in, and as we tighten it up, it locks itself in and allows us to clamp our panel between this face and that face, giving us a secure mounting of our panels to our roof. The other system that we have is our Suntop rail system, which uses our intermediate clamp with a little L bracket. Our little L bracket nut drops in and locks in on the two faces to give us our security, and once again we tighten up our panel between this face and that face, giving us a nice secure mounting in between panels. Or our end clamp, which would sit right on the end, pop it in, connects up, and try and stay within 6 millimeters of that edge for your first. And once again, as we tighten it up, our panel would clamp in between this face and that face, giving us our nice start to our array. A different system that we have that's come out recently on the market from China, a nice rail system, got little V clips, little V points, and it's a matter of clipping it in, sliding the panel in, and once again between this face and that face, as we pull it up tight against a spring, it secures the whole thing nice and securely to the roof.